Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools. Install and sign into a reputable VPN, then update Capcut so features match region changes. Once done, make sure device location and system-level VPN permission are enabled. This lets Capcut detect the new IP. Next, open the VPN and pick the target country where Capcut features are available. You're moving fast. Don't waste time on settings you won't use. Focus on granting the VPN the network access it needs. So now connect the VPN to the selected country and wait for the secure tunnel to establish. Once the connection shows active, force close Capcut and clear its cache to remove prior location data. This step forces the app to query your new IP. Then reopen Capcut and sign in or refresh your account so the app picks up regional changes. If a feature list doesn't update immediately, toggle airplane mode briefly and reconnect. The app will refetch content based on the VPN-assigned location. Finish by verifying the unlocked features inside Capcut. Try creating a new project and look for region-specific templates or music. If you still can't access them, switch VPN servers or change protocol to WireGuard or OpenVPN. Different routes can bypass regional blocks. Make sure to reboot your device and reauthorize the VPN app if issues persist. One key troubleshooting tip. If Capcut flags a mismatch, disconnect VPN. Sign out of Capcut, reconnect VPN, then sign back in to ensure account region syncs correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.